By the end of this video, you will have a surefire strategy to guarantee consistency in whatever you want to succeed in for the rest of your days you live out on planet Earth. Consistency can be broken down into simply 3 hard truths. Number 1, consistency is simply a habit. Number 2, habits are easily formed. And number 3, habits don't stick without reward. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down those truths, giving you actionable steps to implement them into your daily life to ensure a lack of consistency isn't a problem you face anymore, and you reach success faster because you're simply shooting more shots over a consistent time period. Let's get into it. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach aspirational people who have dreams and ambitions but a lack of productivity to get there to finally achieve their goals productively. I personally spent over 5,000 hours or 210 days straight wasting my days on Call of Duty and other such video games. I had aspirations, but I didn't have the productivity backing, and that's why I'm so passionate in helping people reach their goals productively. Now, I effortlessly and easily breeze through large banks for my work, for my business, for my education, and for my personal development goals, and I'm helping others do the same with this YouTube channel, where I post actionable, tactical technique guides and strategies on how to be productive, how to live a productive life, beat procrastination, and finally be disciplined to do the work you set yourself. If that sounds interesting, subscribe. But the science of consistency can be broken down into the 3 things we spoke about before. Consistency is just habits, habits are easily formed, and habits can't be formed without reward. We are what we repeatedly do, so therefore excellence then is not an act, but simply a habit, right? Consistency is a habit, and like I said, habits are easy to form. How do you form a habit? You have the cue, response, reward system. You have the cue, you feel like doing the habit, the response of doing the habit, and the reward to reinforce the habit you've just done. So for example, you want to habituate being productive doing a specific piece of work for your business. Say it's just recording a video. You get the cue by looking at your planner. You've planned during your day that you're going to record a video. The response is to do the thing you said you're going to do. You record the video, try to be productive in getting the video complete, and then most importantly, the 3rd step is to reward yourself for completing that habit. Eat a lunch you don't usually, have some caffeine to biologically reinforce what you've just done, and then the next time you sit down to do the work, you have a little degree of extra motivation to get it done because your brain knows the reward is coming once the work has been completed. And then you again look at your to-do list, realize you have to record a video, record the video, and reinforce yourself with a reward that you deem worthy and valuable. And then the next time you do it, and again, and again, and again, until the habit is so well formed that when you look at your to-do list and realize you have to record, you can do the work effortlessly and easily, be consistent in completing the work you set yourself, because your brain knows the reward is at the end of the thing. So even if you don't record yourself, even if on the days you don't have a reward to give yourself, your brain still motivates you to get you to do the task because simply you've trained it that way. You tell a dog to sit, you give it a bone, and you repeat that 7, 8, 9, 10 times in a row, and by the 11th time, if you tell the dog to sit, it sits, even without the bone as a reward, and humans work the exact same way. Cue, response, reward. Turn the work into a habit and you'll find it easy to consistently complete because again, we are what we repeatedly do, so therefore excellence is not an act, but simply and merely a habit that we do consistently over a long period of time. And if you are struggling with remaining consistently productive, you have these short banks, but then you falter and fall into procrastination, I have a unique opportunity just for you. In the top link of the description, it will take you to my productivity performance plan where I'm changing lives in just 30 days. Within those 30 days, I'm guaranteeing you 20 out of 30 days productive, or I'll work with you 100% for free, and in terms of daily pricing, it's cheaper than the coffee you buy every single morning. So if you're finally looking to invest in something that gives you a result, gives you a reward, gives you a return on your investment, then the top link is perfect for you. You'll have my personal phone number, my exclusive productivity strategies, an included physical planner, templates, trackers, tools, and app. Any problem you face with productivity, I will solve within the 30 days of working with you. And if you're interested in actually making a change in your life, then the top link will take you there. But that's it. Cue, response, reward. Turn the work into a habit and you'll find it easier to be consistent to reach success productively. And again, if you're looking to work with me one-to-one, the top link will take you there. But I appreciate you for watching. Thanks. Subscribe.